Downloading and installing nodes on a Click PLUS C2-NRED module is not complex to learn, but there are a few items that you must take into consideration. Currently, the C2-NRED module has Node.js version 3.0 pre-installed, which was initially released on July 14, 2022, and is a stable software version. It uses version 14.1 of Node.js. This is important when determining how the software will react with the Click backplane. Node.js is a powerful flow-based development tool for visual programming, particularly suited for the Internet of Things or IoT. One of its biggest strengths lies in an extensive library of nodes, which allows users to perform tasks ranging from simple data manipulation to complex integrations with various hardware and APIs. This information will explore how to find and install nodes in the C2-NRED Node.js, including considerations for compatibility with different versions. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there will be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There will be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. Understanding nodes in Node.js. Before getting into the installation process, it's essential to understand what nodes are in Node.js. At its core, a node is a reusable piece of code that provides functionality. The C2-NRED module has built-in Node.js nodes, but the magic happens when you enrich your environment with additional nodes that suit your needs. Nodes are the basic building blocks for your flow programs. As we have seen in the past posts and videos, we can drag and drop nodes onto the workspace to create flows. Inside Node.js, there are 3 objects to share data with Click PLUS PLC. Click Read, Write, and System Configuration nodes provide easy access to the Click PLC memory. 3 additional nodes require specific configuration to work on a C2-NRED. Read, Write, and Watch file nodes are used for writing files in Node.js. Finding nodes to install. The first step in finding nodes is to look at the Click PLUS Hardware User Manual C2 User-M Chapter 5. You will see 2 tables of third-party nodes tested with the C2-NRED card. Node.js has a vibrant community, and many developers share their common nodes via the Node.js library or GitHub. The official Node.js library is at https://flows.nodejs.org. You can browse thousands of variable nodes categorized by functionality, such as services, hardware, databases, etc. Pay close attention to the descriptions, documentation, and user reviews to ensure that the node meets your requirements. Finding nodes through Manage Palette. Call up our flow program in the C2-NRED card. This can be done by selecting the PLC menu option in the Click programming software. Select Ethernet and then choose Connect. Your default browser will open showing you the flow control we created last time. Select the pancake symbol to the top right corner of the flow. Select Manage Palette, Alt-Shift+P. Under User Settings, you will see all of the nodes currently installed. Select Install. This will allow us to search online for different nodes. Currently we see 5,309 nodes available to us. All matching nodes will be displayed as you type in the search line. We will be installing the Node.js Contrib80s. This is the Node.js MQTT broker node based on 80s.js. The symbol beside the node will take you to the web page. On this page, we can find information on the Node.js Contrib80s. On the right hand side, select View on NPM. Once again, we will see all the latest information on the Node version. On the top right hand side, you will see the different versions available. Select this option. You will see the history of this Node's versions. Based on the Click PLUS hardware user manual information, version 0.11.1 works with the C2-NRED module. Downloading the Node version package. Select the node name from the Manage palette and copy this to the Windows clipboard. This can be done by right-clicking and selecting Copy or Ctrl-C. The downloaded file URL with the name and version can be created using this information. Follow this pattern. The bold lettering is the module's name, and the bold italic is the version number. The URL will download the source file of that module to your default downloads folder. Copy the download to your project folder on your PC. We will replace the name with the name of the node that we want to download. This appears in two different places. The version number can be changed to the one we want to download. We can now copy this URL into our web browser. The file will be downloaded to our computer. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button below. Keeping up with all the latest innovation automation can be difficult, so click the subscribe button. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Installing the downloaded node. We can now install this node on our C2-NRED module. On the Install tab in the Manage palette, select the Upload Module TGZ file icon. Select the file that we downloaded previously. Select the Upload button to install the nodes into our C2-NRED module. The upload and installation of this node will take about 11 minutes. When the node is added, we will receive a message. We can now close the Manage palette. Looking at the left side of the browser, we can see the 80s broker node. To learn how the C2-NRED module communicates to the Click PLUS inputs and outputs, click here. Click here to learn more about the Click PLUS PLC.